Hello, food lovers. Welcome to the Foodgasm Food Channel, where we're going to eat, make recipes, share house cleaning tips, everything, do vlogs, travel, and just enjoy life together. What brings it more together and makes it more fun than delicious food? Let us make this breakfast together. This is the first longest video that I've made in this channel, and thank you so much for helping me reach 500 subs. And we are also going to do live food events, everything, you name it. Just stick with me. We are making breakfast, and I am using my all seeds bread. So I'm going to have cheese, Russian, avocados, eggs, and yeah, let us have this breakfast because we are going to have it with a nice warmy cup of hot chocolate. Yeah, so if you are a food lover like me, I'm definitely sure that you are really going to enjoy making these scrumptious, yummy meals with me. Let us have a look on what we have on this breakfast. Now yoga breakfast is ready. Let us enjoy. Uyabona-ke, one thing about me is the fact that I love my avocados. Whenever I'm having a breakfast, there must be an avocado. Whenever I am having a nice summer salad, I must have an avocado. And whenever, I just love avocados. They are nice, fresh, nutritious, and they just bring a scrumptious, soft taste on the food no matter what you are eating. Avocados are just a way to go. So let us have a look on the ingredients that I use on this breakfast. I use Flora because it has got a hard foundation, which means that, well, maybe it's good for my heart. Yeah. And I use olive oil because it's virgin olive oil that is actually made from vegetables, and it's healthy. I use my all Swiss bread, which is from Sasco, and I use my Parmalat cheese, which is already sliced and processed, and that's what I'm using. And I am a lover of, whenever I'm at home and I have time, I will just do those, throw in just a little Russian cheese rush. Excuse me, cheese Russian is the best. So before we continue with this video, kindly like, kindly comment, kindly subscribe, kindly share, and yeah, become part of this family. This is the new channel that I've just started, and we are going to make it work together. As you can see, I'm just putting my egg. I love my egg soft. I want to see that runny yolk. So I'm putting now the cheese on top of the egg. My egg is not black, guys. It's because I use the chili flavor, the chili flavor aromats. I love aromats on my egg, so I did not use the original one. I used the chili flavor one, so that just looks like all black whenever you are using it. Oh yeah. Now I'm laying the avos. I first put the bread, I buttered the bread, I put the egg, I put the cheese on top of the egg, and now I am laying those avocados on top of the bread. Scrumptious and yummy. This is a very healthy feeling meal. And if I eat a breakfast like this in the morning, I don't worry about eating anything else the whole day. I just drink water and I'm fine because it's a very nice feeling breakfast that is nutritious. Automatically, it just fills you up. It just fills you up. don't look at my wine rack that only has one bottle of wine at the moment. I'll start collecting and we'll start sharing some wine ideas and options, what to taste, what's good, what's not good, yeah, and whatnot. So, yeah, as you can see, my breakfast is almost ready. Yeah. Dantige, I am not new in the YouTube streets. If it's the first time you are seeing me on this channel, my name is Zandi, the surname is Mvega. I have another channel that does story times, which are awareness creating, which are social ill eye opener, and which are breaking down the stereotypes. And we also have a podcast there where we educate, we inspire, and we entertain you. It's just an all rounder of entertainment. So make sure that you go and check us out on that other side of YouTube, which is called Meaningful Conversations with Uzandi Mfega. That's where you will find us. And here we are just going to be doing food and food only. I know I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one who just loves food, because I know ukuthi food makes the world go round. Yazi ngihlele ngizwa nje abantu bedlala ngathi, money makes the world go round. Come on. There could be lots of money in the world, ibe ngamasaka, sibe ne-access to yona yonke, but if ukudla kungekho, will we survive with just money and there's no food? We need food supplier. So you can see I'm gonna down this breakfast with my nice chocolate, hot chocolate. I love to add a dash of honey because I've noticed ukuthi Nestle these days sebeyasorobha. There's something about these hot drinks now that is a mess, because ngiyakhumbula growing up these drinks used to be nice and tasty. Bungadingi ngisho ukuthi nje u-add anything on it. They were nice and sweet. Even in Milo it's the same story. Ibimnandi Milo yakuqala, i-rich, i-creamy. Ayi manje sivele iba manzi. Even ngisho this hot chocolate engathi ungayi-add something, engathi ungayifaka ubisi, engathi ungayifaka uphinde add a little dash of sugar. That is why I have honey there. I just add a little dash of honey just to make it a little bit, ibe nalanto man. Am I the only one who's having this problem with these hot drinks? If you also have the same problem, please share on the comment section down below ukuthi kahle kahle why sebesorobha lama hot drinks manje ngasabi mnandi the way they used to be nice before. Cause ngiyasola khona into engekho right man, sebeyasirobha. Should we complain? Do you think that we must lodge a complaint and just toy to a Nestle? Which brand is this? Is it Tiger Brands? Is it from Tiger? I don't know. But Nestle or whoever that is making these hot drinks, we are complaining as foodies. Ukuthi ama-drinks wenu are hot. Sesiyarojwa. Tastes have changed over the years. It's no longer the same as it used to be. What happened? What went wrong? The person, it seems like umuntu ofaka its haste on these drinks, as which is always angry at the whole world, and now we cannot taste these drinks the way we are supposed to. Yeah. So please, somebody who puts taste in these drinks, sicela sibuyisele le ancasa ngoba le ancasa is missing, is no more, right?